What's going on, everybody? Hopefully everybody's having a great day. Truckman on fire here. I was just stopping to take a break. If I keep going that way, I might be okay. I kind of rode around storms and it has rained here, but it's not muddy. It's actually kind of good. Not dusty or anything either, so can't complain. Yeah, it looked pretty good up in this area today, so it's supposed to rain later. We'll see. Just thought I'd take a peek up some of these side roads. I'm coming in the back way. They had it blocked off last year coming in the other way because they're doing some logging. So I figured I'd come in this way. Oh, look at the wild horse poop. It's one nice thing, it does dry up fairly quick. Watch some of these corners. This is a little slick here. B. Yeah, it's still a little greasy in here. Whoa. Oh, I'm not going to go that way. Whoa, yeah. This probably isn't a good idea. Oh yeah, in the rut, good one. There are my feet. Gotten wet. And now my foot pegs are slippery. Awesome. I love it. Just makes it that much more fun, right? Ooh. That was fun. And take my time. This stuff looks a little better here. I actually don't think I've been this way. Interesting. No, I haven't been this way. Or have I? I don't know. All these roads look the same sometimes. Might be because I haven't taken it this way before. I've always come in the other way to make the loop. So this year, my weather has not been cooperating with me at all so far. I've been getting a lot of rain on the weekends. This just kind of makes it sucky for riding. Looks like some people were having some fun on some side-by-sides and tore the crap out of everything here. Oh shit. Oh shit. Wild horses. Hey, horsies. Cool. Oh yeah, it's muddy. May as well check the wind speed here. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's only a couple miles an hour down here. Yeah, we'll see. See how it goes. Well, as luck has it, I have more crap rolling in, and the wind is picking up and going down. I had to fly the Mini a little bit, so that's good. Kept it fairly low, tried to get a couple of shots going over the hill. I gotta work on locking that exposure till I can get some ND filters for it, and then I can set it and keep it at one exposure for the whole flight. But hopefully it turns out. I'll go drive in this fun stuff again. I'll just take my time. But it's just gonna be pretty much, I'll keep the camera going until I get back to the pavement. It's pretty much gonna be this all the way back. Lots of fun stuff. Well, at least I got to see some wild horses right up close. And before I forget, Motovlogger Discovery. And basically what it is a channel where if you want, you can put your name in, make a compilation video of a whole bunch of motovloggers from all around the world. It's a good way to discover new motovlog challenges. I will put I will put the link in the description below, down below. But yeah, go check that channel out. I think he's got one video out now, and if you want to be featured in the next video or whatever, let him know. Leave a comment, and he'll get in contact with you and feature you in his next video. Anyway, hope everybody has a great one, and I'm gonna putt my way out of here. Putt. I'm gonna thump my way out of here. Oh, loads of fun. Well, I definitely haven't been up this road before, so that's a nice change. The road to where I wanted to go, looked really crappy, so I've been it rained all night last night, so it's drying up, but neutral. Could be worse. I know there's a couple of spots up ahead that, yeah, they weren't too exciting to come up or down to go through, but it feels like it's gonna rain, so I don't really want to hang around out here too much longer. I kind of dodged rain clouds to get here, so I was hoping it looked nice, but you know, we're in Alberta. Wait 5 minutes and the weather will change. I'll go through this slick section again. Yeah, for some reason my back is just killing me today too, so it's not good. Anyway, leave a comment down below if you're new to the channel. hit that subscribe button and ring the bell notification. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next ride. Cheers.